What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great, you're all doing well, and welcome back to this new episode. And in this video I am going to review another great product from the house of RAYHAAN, and here I'm talking about ADONIS ICARUS. So let's talk about the name first. Adonis have two meanings. In old Canaanite language, the word Adonis means the Lord, and in Greek mythology the word Adonis is god of youth. And Icarus once again is a mythological character. Icarus was the guy who wanted to fly, so he started to make wings for himself. He used bird feathers, joined them with the wax, and finally once he succeeded in his mission, he started to fly towards the sun. Though his father asked him to not go for such expedition, but he didn't listen to him. He continued to fly towards sun. Finally, the wax started to melt down. He fell down in the ocean and he died. So this was the story of Icarus. And now let's get back to the fragrance and let's talk about the product itself. So we'll start our review with the presentation first. So you will get this perfume in this orange box. You can see it's a orange and golden combination here. You'll find the name of the perfume, Adonis Icarus here, the logo of RAYHAAN on the top, their signature style cut out here for the branding and the same pattern going around, and then all the details here in the bottom. You can see my production date, my manufacturing date and barcode. Everything is here in the bottom. And now let me show you the bottle. So bottle once again is very similar to the bottles of other RAYHAAN perfumes, but the color really matters here, and this bottle looks so gorgeous. And here you go, you will get this perfume in this beautiful bottle. You can see the dent I make in this perfume because this one is really good. So you will get this perfume in this beautiful orange colored bottle. You can see how good it looks. I don't know if the camera is doing justice here, but trust me, once you have this bottle in your hands, this one looks really very nice. It's a polished bottle with beautiful finishing. I hope you can see here. The cap here is metallic with gold finish and the logo of RAYHAAN on the top. And the cap is magnetic here, and the magnet is very strong. You can even lift your bottle with the cap, though it's not recommended. But yeah, if you want, you can do it. So this was about the presentation. And now let me give you the notes breakdown, and then I will try to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So here in the top, you will get orange, mandarin and bergamot. And then in the middle you will get ginger, neroli and pink pepper. And then in the base you will get ambergris, musk and vetiver. So this is the official notes breakdown from the website of RAYHAAN. And now let's see that how this perfume actually smells. So first of all, let me tell you that this is an amazing alternative of LV's Afternoon Swim. And let me tell you guys, this one is the best alternative available in the market for Afternoon Swim. As compared to some other alternatives which are available in the market, all those are missing that refreshing, bright, zingy and sharp citrusy note of the opening, which is present in the original, by the way. But here in this perfume, you will get that note, and that's why this is very close to the original Afternoon Swim. The opening is very similar. It's not 100%, but it's almost there. And this one smells really nice. It opens with a burst of citruses. You will get a lot of oranges, a lot of bergamot, you will get ginger, you will get neroli, and you will get a lot of ambroxan. This is a very fresh, bright, uplifting and zingy kind of scent. Then towards the second phase, it becomes a little bit sweet and it will become a little bit candy-like kind of scent. And then in the final dry down, it becomes like ambroxan based, musky, freshy kind of scent. A very nice journey. You will be enjoying this perfume a lot. So this was about the fragrance. It's very close to the original one. Once again, the best alternative available in the market for LV's Afternoon Swim. And now let's talk about the other aspects of this perfume. Let's talk about performance. Performance wise, this is really great. Being a freshie, this one performs really well. It projects for like first 2 to 2.5 hours. After that, it's always there. It stays close to you. But whenever you are going to interact with people, they will be able to smell it. And the longevity is really great. 8 to 10 hours plus easily for the solid performance. You can say it's like around 5 hours. So you can always refresh your perfume in every 4th or 5th hour. Me personally, I am always refreshing this perfume in every 4th hour. You can see the dent once again here. See how much I have used it, because this one really smells amazing. And if you're wearing a cotton shirt and you do like around 8 to 10 sprays, you will be able to smell this perfume even on the next day from your t-shirt. But yeah, it will be not that much strong, but the longevity is really great here. So once you are going to interact with people, they will be able to smell it on you. For the gender, this is a pure masculine scent. For the age, there is no age barrier. Anyone can use it. Youngsters, teenagers, age doesn't matter at all. For the season or weather, this is a perfume to be used in summers. This is not going to give you a very good experience in cold weather. And now let's talk about the occasion. So occasion, this is a very versatile scent. You can use this perfume whenever you want, wherever you want. From your office, from your college, school, to your gym, to your sports activities, shopping, meetings, dinners, lunch. Whenever you want to feel fresh, you can rock this perfume. And now let's talk about the main thing, the price. So this perfume is available in 100 ml quantity with Eau de Parfum concentration, and the current price of this perfume inside UAE is 100 UAE dirhams. But you have to see if this is available on the official website or not, because this one is selling like hot cakes. But if you try to Google, I'm sure you will be able to find this perfume with some other sellers. But this is the price, 100 UAE dirhams for 100 ml of this beautiful juice. So this was my review about ADONIS ICARUS. I hope you liked it. I'm going to catch you in my another review of some another great product. Till then, put your scent on, stay fragrant, and bye.